Welcome, in front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical 2 and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this watch. First, if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the SUUNTO application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and we can open the SUUNTO application. In the app, you can tap on the devices icon right here in the top left corner. And here you should see your SUUNTO Vertical. Wait until the watch is done syncing, then tap on SUUNTO Store. And here we have the watch faces category. We can open it by tapping on this arrow right here. And you can scroll through the list, find the watch face you would like to use on your watch. Then tap on it, of course. For example, I don't know, maybe this one. And to install it, tap on Install on Watch. It will be installed after next sync, and the watch should start syncing immediately. If it doesn't, you can always go back to the device page. Right here. And right here under the watch will be a sync button, and you can start syncing it by tapping on the button. And after the watch is done syncing, you can scroll through this device page, tap on SUUNTO watch faces, my SUUNTO Plus watch faces, and check if the watch face is right here installed. It is installed, so we can tap on it, and then tap on Set as Current Watch Face, and the watch face will be applied. You can also open the Customize menu, so if you open Settings, tap on Customize, then Watch Face. The watch face should be right here on the list of watch faces, so you can select it from the watch as well. Okay. You can also remove the watch faces, because you have a limit of them, I believe. Can you like disappear, please? I guess not. Because the watch is busy, so we need to go back to home screen. Okay, now it's gone. So we can have 9 watch faces. So if you run out of space, you can always tap on uninstall to remove the watch face, and then you can install something else if you want to. Okay, and that's how you download and install additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.